Okay guys, this is my homemade video. So showing the chrome headlamps. The paint is quite nice. It will need wet sanding. The glass is very nice. It's got all the parts you will need. The roof is very nice. The lines, especially for a early DB4, are not bad. The finishers are wonderful. I will put the car up in a moment, but as you can see, the rear bumper does need to be done. Okay, now we go to the next. As you can see, here's the boot section. Oh, that I'm not removing, but it's a very nice carpet. The underside, the above side. Let's see. I don't really think you need any more of the interior, but I will give you a little shot here. And now we go to the underside. So as you can see once again, there's your number, chassis number. There's been a little bit of repairs under here over the years. I will tell you that the gearbox doesn't make noise, the differential didn't make noise. The mechanicals were quite nice. I mean, obviously needing a full service to start fresh. Now, for now. Have a good weekend.